The RSI is one of the most famous indicators traders use. However, there is an updated version that is more efficient, easier to use, and significantly more profitable. It might sound unbelievable, but today we are indeed diving into an advanced version of this classic indicator. Hello everyone, my name is ATP and welcome back to another episode of our Testing Indicators series. Today we'll explore the Dynamic Sentiment RSI indicator, an innovative indicator that combines the power of the RSI with advanced market sentiment techniques. We'll test it across more than 5,000 trades and 10 different assets, and we will discover how this indicator made a profit above 300%. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and let's get started. Before we dive in, I want to give a quick shout out to the subscriber who suggested this indicator. So a big thanks to you. If any of you also want to share an indicator for me to test in a future episode, feel free to drop it in the comments or in my free Discord community. The link is in the description. Firstly, let's start by adding the indicator to our TradingView charts. First, click on Indicators, then type Dynamic Sentiment RSI, and you can use this option here. By definition, the Dynamic Sentiment RSI is an oscillator that combines the classic RSI readings with volume weighting and sentiment analysis, offering traders precise buy and sell signals that are exceptionally responsive to market shifts. By default, it uses these settings, but to clear some fake signals, like these ones here, I prefer to increase the length to 30, the sentiment factor to 10, and the smoothing to 20. This oscillator is very simple to use. When these green arrows appear, it means it can be a good time to enter in a buy position, and when these red arrows appear, it can be a good opportunity to enter in a sell position. Now that we understand how the indicator works, let's move on to the backtest. For our testing, I will follow the same approach as usual. I will define our technical system, risk management rules, and testing conditions. The technical system will include using the Dynamic Sentiment RSI in addition with a 200 period exponential moving average to filter out some fake signals. Here you have an example of a long position where the price is above the 200 EMA, and here we have a short trade example where the price is below the baseline. For the risk management, I will insert the ATR bands indicator with a multiplier of 2, which will help us set our stop loss levels based on market volatility. As for the testing conditions, we'll backtest the indicator on the 30 minutes, 1 hour and daily time frames using data from the last 24 months. So since October 2022 until October 2024, across a diverse asset portfolio including Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, 3 currency pairs, gold, oil, the S&P 500 index and the Apple stock. With everything set, let's dive into the backtesting process. While I could go back in time and test everything by hand, as probably all of you will do, I prefer to speed up this process. For that, I'm going to use my premium indicators testing bot, a trading tool that allows me to test dozens of indicators and strategies in seconds and with real results. You can find more information about this tool and how to use it on my new website algotradepro.com, along with a video that explains its features and benefits. Almost 200 traders are using this tool with great feedback, so it's definitely worth checking it out. Once we have set all the conditions, including the Dynamic Sentiment RSI, the 200 period EMA for baseline, and our risk management rules, the trading bot will execute every valid trade on the charts with a respective entry point, stop loss and exit point. Also, you will see the monthly results displayed along with overall statistics for each asset in the Strategy Tester tab. And since I have the premium TradingView plan, I can download all the trades the bot executes, which I will use to create my trading journals with all the information about this strategy. I will speed up this part of the video, but feel free to slow it down in the YouTube settings if you want to catch every single detail. I will see you in a few seconds. After inserting all the trades into my trading journal, I got an analysis of about 5,240 trades across the 3 different time frames. In the 30-minute one, after more than 3,300 trades, the dynamic Sentiment RSI got a win rate of 51.56% with a net profit of 253%. Here we've got some other stats, and in this table you can analyze the results of every single asset, where we can notice that the best results appear on the crypto and stock markets assets. Below we have the final equity curve, which despite this initial drawdown was profitable and consistent with a growing tendency, which is always a positive signal in trading. Next, in the 1-hour time frame, after 1,800 trades, the indicator achieved a win rate of 51.28% and a net profit of 123%. Here you can find other important metrics, the results of every asset and the equity chart, which, despite being profitable, was unstable, with a drawdown bigger than 100%. Finally, in the daily time frame, after 82 trades, the indicator achieved a win rate of 47.56% and a net loss of 5.43%. Overall, based on this backtest, we can see that the dynamic Sentiment RSI is probably an indicator more suitable for lower time frames like the 30-minute one, which was exactly what the subscriber told us, which is quite interesting. So, if you are a trader who prefers to trade on lower time frames, you should give this indicator a try. Of course, keep in mind that these results are based on the specific conditions and settings I used for this test. If you change the conditions, settings or even the assets, your results may change. So, always test your strategies before putting them into practice. In this series, my objective is to simply test different indicators to discover which ones give us more probability of success. After evaluating the dynamic Sentiment RSI alongside other indicators in this series, I have decided to place it in this position on our ranking table. Tell me in the comments if you agree with this position or not. This updated table is also available for free on my website, providing a comprehensive overview of all the indicators tested so far. Simply click on the free content option, scroll down a little bit and click here, where you can find all these details. Also, if you are interested in improving your trading skills or would like to work with me one-on-one, you can explore my services on my website as well. Lastly, I would like to share with you that for trading and investments I use XTB, which offers fantastic advantages like zero commissions up to $100,000 of monthly volumes. All links with more information are in the description as well. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next episode. Bye bye.